Hello guys, welcome to CodeRug. Hope you are doing great. Once again, welcome to React.js complete series. In today's video, we are going to discuss and learn about keys property in your React application. That means you might have worked with in previous video, you have gone through how you can implement listing feature in your React application. So when you are doing listing in your React application, that means you have seen some warning or some error message you can see in your console. So just like I'm listing one employee data, and now if I go to console, you can see I'm getting one warning. That means each child in a list should have a unique key props. What does it mean? Why I'm getting this error? Because our data is listing properly fine, but why I'm getting this error? And what is this key props which React is saying that we need to have for each element of data, and from where we can get the keys? Now, a key is a special attribute that you need to include when creating list of element in React. Now, keys are useful in React to identify which item is changed, removed, or deleted. That means now if I remove, if we were performing some action and we will removing this first data. Now once we are removing this data, how will React will able to understand that this specific data will needs to be get removed from its DOM? And the reason is key. Key help React to understand which element needs to be removed, which element needs to be updated. So this kind of scenario, key help React to uniquely identify each element of a data. But how you gonna fix this one? In order to fix this one, what we gonna do? Just like I'm listing one data. Now inside that one, what it says, we need to pass key props. For that one, in li where we are showing the data, we will pass key. Okay, in that key it can be unique identifier. That one you have to pass as a JSX, so it will be your ID. Now when you are calling your API and when you are getting your data from your database, that means you always have to get unique identifier. So no matter which database you are using, so every database must have some unique identifier in their end. Now once you are listing this one, so you always have to pass unique identifier in your key. Otherwise React will again throw error. Now right now I'm passing ID, so ID will always be unique. Now if I refresh this one, you can see you will not see any warning. You see I'm not getting any key warning. But if I use the same key, just like if I pass, suppose it can be username. Okay, now if I refresh this one, you will get a again issue. I need to save this one. Okay, username will be fine. Okay. So every data is different, so that's why I'm not getting. But if I update something, suppose let's remove this one and just pass some data, same data, like I just pass, like suppose 1 2 3. Okay, now if you see, you're getting warning, and the warning says I'm using same key 1 2 3 for all the data. So it needs to be, so key should be unique so that component maintain their identity cross update. So that means you cannot pass same key for each data. It always have to be unique. So if I revert back, now if I refresh, you will see no warning message. Through this tutorial or through this example, we have understood that keys are really useful, and we always have to pass as a props whenever you are listing any data. So no matter where you are listing in your React application, and whenever you are implementing it, you always have to pass key. And whenever you are using key prop, that data or the value you are passing inside key, it always have to be unique identifier for your data, uniquely identified data. So that's all in this video. I hope you understand what is key, why it is useful. So in later videos, we will go through another example and we will learn more on React. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.